how to manifest with your spirit team and why that removes your manifestation blocks. I'm going to share this with you in this video. What I'll be talking about is the Speak Up method. Hundreds of people have been testing it for 7 years now, and well, I can't guarantee anything, of course, but it seems to be working very well for many people. Just click the link below if you want to read more about it. I'm on my way on my favorite path to my favorite viewpoint of my hometown. And when it comes to manifesting, we usually sit alone and visualize and feel the joy of having the thing we haven't gotten yet. And I think that works for many people. I have not been successful because it feels fake to me. My inner critic goes, no, you don't have it. This is fooling yourself. This is not going to work. And then I blame myself because I couldn't be positive enough, keep a high enough vibration, and the whole shebang. So what happens if you delegate the manifestation? That's what the Speak Up method is about. Well, it is a combination between using your own creative powers, manifesting powers, and connecting to your spirit team. And the concrete script, step by step, is free, and it is on the link down below. You just scroll a little down and you will get the whole script. On that page, yes, you can buy the Speak Up method, the night shift version if you want to. You don't have to. But if you do, please remember that I track the success of this method by counting refunds. So I'm actually asking you to ask for a refund, your money back, if it's 27 euros, 31 US dollars or something, if it didn't work. So please do that. So as you can see on the link and the script, if you click that, the whole method starts with my intention is, so that's you using your own creative powers. You are part source, part creator, right? So you have powers. And I'm not sure if this is necessary. I don't claim to know everything about this, but to be sure, and it's only taking a few seconds, so it really doesn't matter. So that's the one part. My intention is that I am experiencing X, whatever, right? And another part of that script, as you can read on the link, is us asking for assistance from our spirit team. Now, I've tested only asking spirit team, worked very well. Only my own creation, my intention is, also worked very well. Does it work even better if you combine them? Not sure, but as I said, it's only going to take you a few seconds more to do it. And I really like to include my guys and my helpers in this. And I like to see it as you saying my intention is one rocket, and asking for assistance from your spirit team is a second rocket. So now you have twice the power. And if we believe that in manifestation 1 is 1 and 2 is 10, well, why don't we ask also, right? And now to the part that removes your blocks. A part of that script that you can read on the link is that the script says, I ask for this or something even better. And also another sentence in the script is, and I ask that this happens in the best interest of all. Now, this is brilliant. And the brilliance of this is that when you leave it that open, you don't know what's coming, so your inner critic cannot block it. Because the alternative is that you were trying to manifest 10,000 euros or dollars or whatever, right? And now your inner critic can go, well, no, don't think that's going to happen. You've never been that lucky in your life. You're never going to see 10,000 euros like that. No, not in a million years. But if you ask for, as the script suggests, a solution to a problem, not the specific outcome, but a general solution, and we don't know what that solution will be, we will live in trust, then your critic goes, well, I don't know what's coming, so it's really hard to block this. Isn't that brilliant? And also, when you do it like that, in my view, You leave room for the universe to do its magic. In the other alternative, you are locked on 10,000 euros, and it might work. Yeah, sure, I believe in that. But now that you're just asking for a solution and intending for a solution, the money or the solution can come to you in so many ways, and dare I say it, the solution that shows up is always, I think always is the right word here, a better solution than the 10,000 euros, and then the thing you imagined would come. And it's also so much more fun, because you go, oh my god, I did not see that one coming, thank you so much. Isn't that cool? So all you have to do for free, just click the link and scroll a little down, and you will see the script. This is the Speak Up Method version 2, which has been, you know, the version most people have used in order to manifest like this. Do you want to see the view of my hometown? But what is really important, that this whole thing is not meant to be difficult. It's supposed to be easy to communicate with spirit. And in my experience, which is the Speak Up Method version 1, all we really have to do is talk to them, and you can just start by saying,
hey guys, could you help me send a little light through the mystery, like astronauts calling home through the stars. Houston, are you listening where you are? 7 seconds, feel the energy flow from the heart to the places we don't yet know. Maybe it's spirit, maybe it's all inside, but every time I speak up, something starts to move the tide.